So what is this app AI Mirror AI Art Photo Editor? So let's just explore it and yeah, should you use it or not? This is pretty interesting idea. So this is not exactly the app which creates your AI avatars. Nope, this is just the app where you kind of upload photos and then you can just apply different effects to it. So yeah, of course, this is kind of like your AI avatar, but here you just can have like an idea like that this is the original photo, and then it can just create some kind of cartoon from it, and there are different styles, and if you want to have more variations you will need to pay, but there are some free filters and there are some paid filters. So these are the filters you have here. There's like anima 2D, romance, comic, popular effects, fantastic, JoJo, some cartoons, 3D comics, superhero comic, watercolor. But then there are some filters and categories where it's just you need to upgrade. You don't need to create an account, no anything. And then there is also a Discord community. So for example, let's just try if I want to create superhero comic style, and then I just can take a photo or upload from my camera roll, so then I can just do that. Then imagine value, like the more imagine value you have, the more like cartoonish will be the photo, or less imagine value, it will be closer to reality. Then you can just create the check the resolution 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, depending where you want to share it, on TikTok, Instagram, whatever. And then yeah, because you can use these filters for free, unfortunately then you will just need to watch this kind of a bit annoying ad, and then even if you finish all the ads, there is still some processing time. So yeah, here you just have like this anime character. So and then yeah, you can just change the photo, you can redraw in the top right, then you can just save it. So if you want to save without watermark, you can of course upgrade to premium version, and there is like a 3-day free trial, and it's pretty good price for these AI generated apps, so you can give it a try. A good option. So yeah, and then you can just save and share it.